back after you. Oh man, what a whoop Oh, I want to go home and ride my dirt bike. Go for the big loop. I'm just going high sided. Come down slow. Hi. Come down slow. You're the B-roll actor now. No fucking fun at all. Woohoo!
I think you might have bottomed out on that one.
I think I bottomed out of that one. Oh, buddy. That's a little bit more air.
You launched that one. I think you caught some air.
Yeah, a little bit. That was fun. It was nice and soft. Actually, I bottomed into the sand. So it's kind of like once I took off, I'm like,
I didn't.
ready? Oh, that's good.